The last tab is the Help tab. Here, you have 4 sections: Help and Support, Community, Articulate Storyline, and Publish. In the Help and Support section, you are able to get specific help from Articulate support or from other Articulate users. The Tutorials icon will take you to video tutorials developed by Storyline or recorded Articulate hosted webinars helping you learn how to use Storyline. This can be especially helpful when Articulate releases a new feature. One of the biggest strengths of not only Storyline, but Articulate, the company, is its community. Articulate has intentionally curated guides, blogs, and forums designed to help Articulate users help Articulate users. The Articulate Storyline section has icons to take you directly to Articulate's website, identify which version of Storyline you are using, and identify what third-party software is incorporated into your version of Storyline. Lastly, we have the Publish section, which has the same capabilities as the Publish section on the other 7 tabs we've already discussed. I hope you were able to learn something from this video. If you enjoyed it and want more videos on how to use Articulate Storyline, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and have a good day!